And there is your gorgeous caprese salad. Whether or not you decide to put a balsamic glaze on it is totally up to you, but that's just summery, right? So summery. And I have tomatoes fresh from my brother-in-law's garden. Easier to cut with a serrated knife. And I just want to do kind of thin slices of the tomato. This is going to be so super speedy. And then the mozzarella is kind of the same. You just want to do thin slices. You could use burrata if you want. Burrata is mozzarella that still has the creamy curd in the middle. It's like so decadent and delicious. Or do it super simple and do like the little pearl mozzarella. And then I just need to kind of layer this. I almost forgot. This is purple basil from my garden, so I want to pick off some nice sized leaves. I'll save a couple kind of for adornment over the top, even though gorgeous, gorgeous. And then all you do for this is just layer it. So we're gonna go in like this, trying to lay them kind of the same way as I did the other ones, just so it's nice and pretty. All right, let's just tuck some basil in here. It's kind of a Greek-style fish with a Italian caprese salad. It just looks appealing, all that color. All right, I just do a few things with this. You can do a balsamic glaze if you want. For now, it's olive oil and just a smidge of salt. You know, tomatoes love salt. And hey, if you have tarragon, try tarragon instead of the basil. It's a surprisingly delicious combination. And then a little bit of pepper. And there is your gorgeous caprese salad. Whether or not you decide to put a balsamic glaze on it is totally up to you, but that's just summery, right? So summery. Okay, and our